Engine-driven generator systems are supplied in single and three-phase configurations. This video explains three-phase configurations, covers voltages available, and the advantages of using a three-phase generator. While for some applications there are larger single-phase generators, the majority of loads above 15 kilowatts use three-phase generators. Advantages over single-phase include more compact, greater efficiency, and can manage greater loads. As indicated, a single-phase brushless generator with a rotating magnetic field has one set of coils wound into the stator. A three-phase generator is made possible by winding into the stator three sets of coils. Electrical power generated in a single-phase generator is expressed in a graph in terms of volts on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. We start with phase 1 coils as for the single-phase arrangement. Now, phase 2 coil is added spaced 120 degrees from phase 1. Then, to complete a three-phase generator, a third set of coils for phase 3 coil is spaced 240 degrees from the phase 1 coils. A full 360-degree turn represents one cycle over a time of 1 second. Phase 1, 2, and 3 all peak positive and negative 120 degrees apart, for a more efficient and powerful output than a single-phase coil would produce in the same size stator. A three-brushless rotating field generator allows several voltage outputs depending on how the coil ends in the stator are connected. In the most common star connection, phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3 are connected in a star format. The neutral line is connected to the center of the star arrangement. Another line is connected to phase 1, then another to phase 2, and then the third phase to phase 3. In a series star connection, the voltage read between phase 1 and neutral is 277 volts. In a parallel star connection, the voltage would be halved. Again, phase 2 voltage read is 277 volts, with phase 3 to neutral being the same. The higher voltage in a star connection is measured phase to phase. First, phase 1 to phase 2 reads 480 volts, which is phase 1 to neutral 277 volts times root 3, or 1.73. 480 volts is read phase 1 to phase 3, and the same voltage phase 2 to phase 3. The series star three-phase connection represented here is a 277 phase to neutral and 480 phase to phase arrangement, with the ratio being phase to neutral voltage multiplied by root 3. Series star three-phase voltages can also be 220 volts phase to neutral and 380 volts phase to phase. In a parallel star connection, there is also the option for 127 volts phase to neutral and 220 volts phase to phase. If you have questions about three-phase generator systems and configurations, contact your authorized Kohler distributor for assistance.